In the year 1661, in the heart of England, a quiet revolution was taking place, a revolution that would shake the very foundations of human understanding. Imagine a time when the line between science and magic was blurred, when alchemy was considered the gateway to hidden truths, and the power of transformation seemed just a formula away. But one man, a quiet and persistent thinker, would challenge everything. Robert Boyle, a name that resonates with discovery, stood at the crossroads of history. For centuries, alchemists had searched for the philosopher's stone, the secret to turning base metals into gold. They claimed to hold the key to immortality, to ultimate knowledge. But Boyle, with a mind sharp as a scalpel, was about to expose the grand illusion. His publication in 1661 would be the spark that forever separated chemistry from alchemy. It was called The Sceptical Chemist, a book that would change the world. The air crackled with tension as Boyle meticulously examined the ancient practices of alchemy, tearing them apart with logic and experiment. He refused to rely on mysticism or ancient texts. His truth would come from observation, from the cold, undeniable evidence that only the scientific method could provide. Boyle's discoveries about the nature of matter, his insistence that elements were distinct substances with defined properties, laid the groundwork for what we know today as chemistry. But Boyle didn't stop there. His experiments with gases, his understanding of pressure and volume, challenged long-held beliefs and opened the door to modern physics. It was as if he had unlocked a new world, one where understanding was not about secrets whispered by ancient scrolls, but about the steady, unrelenting march of reason. The shift from alchemy to chemistry was not just intellectual, it was cultural. The world was changing, and Boyle was there, standing at the forefront. His work inspired a generation of scientists who would go on to unlock the mysteries of the universe, from the structure of the atom to the creation of life-saving medicines. Boyle's legacy was more than just theory. It was the birth of a new era, one where science would no longer be bound by superstition. And so, the alchemist's dream was replaced by a scientist's vision, a vision that has shaped the course of history. Robert Boyle had cracked open the door to the future, and the world would never be the same. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with us. Your support helps this channel grow. Comment below, and tell us what other events in science you'd like us to explore.